Hi, my name is Julian van den Berg from Audipack and welcome to our booth at ISE 2020. I would like to present to you our solution for LEDs. LEDs are not new, presentation systems are not new, but there's something different about this one. This is one of the units we designed for Philips as a demonstration unit, and it's actually a foldable LED unit. It means that the LED is folded backwards in the flight case, can raised up electrically, and then again being flipped up again and ready for presentation. That makes even non-rental screens suitable for rental applications. So pick any size, any screen, any sort, whatever you want. With this concept of the system that we provide, you can do anything you want to. If you want to know more, please visit our website, audipack.com, and thank you.